What's up everybody? Good morning, good evening and good night. So today I want to come to this CNC innovation this shop very special at Shah Alam. So what they're doing actually they're doing all those JDM cover, which is the CNC parts the head cover, the intake manifold. If you all still didn't know this shop now, I recommend you all. Show you all a little bit the intake manifold, all this later. I show you all more closer later. Adrian. Right, so Iron Man also got Iron Man pada this one for the battery one. Most engine all of the JDM engine. You guys see. ITB as well. So actually this is mine, is it? This one is for display only or okay. Whoosh. This is a sample. This one nice. I saw another one that this throttle body area facing upwards one. Ada satu lagi. Ni Evo ke Myvac Evo If you all guys know, please leave a comment below. They do everything 4 throttle ITB. Yang ini pula 2J, 1J Intake yang macam ni cantik. Dia facing ke atas sikit. So dia untuk 1J, Evo, Myvac, 2J ataupun ni Subaru Aku rasanya Subaru Banyak yang Dashcam pun ada. CNC anodizing punya color korang boleh pilih Take a look man, all the parts. This one nice. Ni cantik mat. Fucking nice. The version 2 almost the same a bit only different.
Little bit different on the base.
The base. So guys, ini korang boleh engrave either 26, 28, 30, 34. Apa sajalah. Actually can Mereka nak letak apa kan? The molding or engrave whatever they want.
This one is too small. For engraving, we need a very long, macam big space for any engraving or logo. Laser logo. We need like space to available to do any logo.
Okay, can understand.
Same goes with the intake manifold also.
Intake we can put in our logo as well.
Yes. For intake, it depends on the design. Sometimes if we have space here, we will do
Sini lah.
The plenum. Sometimes we will do in the
Purell.
Yeah.
Can. So they just send you the SVG file?
Yeah.
Or
any graph image also can. You can design the
okay,
logo.
understand.
But there is extra charge for it.
Yup.
Yeah.
So basically all right here you can see at this table right here is RB for RB. This one also nice. This one and this one almost the same, right? I think.
Yeah, this one only
black color. Black.
With copper.
Okay. This one, this one nicer. This one nice a lot, bro. This one nice. Ni different in spark plug cover ni.
Some people they wanted it.
Gila mat, kena racun lagi. Selain RB kena lagi. Aku punya A86 ni 4AGE tau. 4AGE punya ITB. Tapi dia sekali plenum.
This one GTR R35.
Chevrolet
This one R35.
GTR 35. How mantap kawan. Ini korang nak merah, hitam, merah ke purple, mix and match, any color, cakap saja, dia boleh buat. Never mind. It's okay. I just show a little bit. Gila. RX-7 B13. Oh my god. Semua dia ada guys. What car is that?
Volkswagen. This is
Volkswagen like all those
yeah.
Semua dia ada guys. Semua produk korang nak saja boleh custom. Tapi setengah pun tak payah custom. Dah ada ready stock, cuma dia nak anodize. Evo 3
4AG.
This one is 4AG?
Yeah, but this is 20 valve.
20 valve.
Yeah, but similar, we have the same setup, looks exactly same for 16 valve also.
This one is Vios.
This one
Vios. Okay, Vios.
Beautiful.
Yang ini boxer macam GR86 itu FT86 kan. Yang ini 20 valve, bukan MyVac. 20 valve.
This is Lamborghini 130.
Oh, Lamborghini.
Yeah. This is Myvi.
Oh, this one is MyV.
Yeah, this is Myvi.
Gila lah. Ni kalau korang, aku racun korang kan, budak MyV kan.
This is
Hey.
old Mercedes-Benz.
This one old already. Ya. MyV yo.
Yeah.
Gila mat.
Yeah.
Kau ambil duit pergi beli barang Shopee, lebih baik ambil ni. VTEC is the best guys.
I open. I didn't watch.
B series kena aku. Kena lagi. B16, B18, B20, everything. What color korang boleh pilih, can match. B series multi purpose, korang tahu-tahu je lah apa dia ni. Oil catch tank pun boleh, water tank pun boleh.
This one not welded, fully CNC.
Fully CNC, tak ada welding. Projek aku lah ni, CNC Innovation. Actually kalau korang tak dapat cari dia, korang contact aku boleh. Aku quote price bagi korang, agak kasih sayang kan. Sebab kadang-kadang mereka busy sangat, so boleh cari aku. Can find me if they all busy. They got all the car CNC parts you all can get at here lah. Actually example like the Ferrari also got, the old car, the Subaru, Evo, 4A, GE, everything related to CNC. Valve cover, the oil catch can, everything intake manifold, ITP. So because sometimes you all don't know how to mix and match the color color korang nak design kan, you all can ask me, so I can help you all to approach them and then quote the price for you all.